Hey there, YouTube. If you can't tell, but there's storm clouds in the sky right now, covering the whole sky. Right now, I'm checking to see if the windows are rolled up. Yeah, they are. Yeah, a bit of storm clouds. You can hear a bit of thunder too, but it won't be as bad this time. They replaced some. It was a old telephone pole that was getting really old. That got hit by a strong gust of wind, which I told you all about earlier this month. They replaced it with a stronger one that won't get knocked down as easily. Meow meow. That's our kitty. Meow. Meow meow. The key's right there. You can't hardly see it. It looks like Mrs. T. And I just saw lightning just now. I didn't raise the camera up. It was just that way behind those tree lines a bit up right there. Maybe we could use some rain. Meow meow. Meow meow. Picking these up. Put these in the barrel for late. Whoa! Yeah. Here's lightning. We saw a patch of light flash. Then you know it was lightning. A few more water bottles being put into the garbage can. I can hear it. You know, one of these days I want to be a storm chaser. You know, chase the storms, say, well, you know, go high speed chases, chasing the storms. Oh, that'd be a good adrenaline for me. Huh? Oh, yikes. Gotcha. Don't need this going flying down anywhere. Going down anywhere. Ah, come on! I didn't even have it angled. Yeah, and the trash got picked up today. Ew. Yeah, you can see that little football. Hey. No, you don't. Yeah. Get back inside. I'm recording the lightning.
Pack your top the white trash can over.
Yeah. I take care of both of my parents for the time being. When you see lightning, you know it is gonna storm. Yeah, we have all the windows closed and rolled up. See? Told ya. Well, I better get going, YouTube. See you all later. Bye.